It's Dalgona time! It's Dalgona time!
Hey guys, welcome back. And if you don't know me, I'm Dhwani, and I'm doing a simple day in my life video, but this is kind of a spoof. So wait for it and hope you guys enjoy. And good morning, maybe. It's like 9 in the morning and I need to go make coffee and stuff for breakfast. And I was thinking maybe I should try the whole Dalgona coffee thing.
It's Dalgona time!
And it's like everywhere. I open my phone and it's there, and it's like so annoying now. So I'm just gonna go and try. Let's go. So hi, my stupid self forgot to press the record button and I've had like half of it. It's nice, but I don't get it. Like I don't get the hype. So I'm just going to make... I don't think I'm going to waste my time every day doing that. So I really don't get what the hype is. It literally tastes like coffee. So like I finished my breakfast and stuff, and now I'm just going to like see what I'm going to do for the rest of the day, and like I have classes and I need to do something else. So I'm just going to do that, and let's see. Okay, so I've figured out what I really kind of have to do, and I don't have to do much. So I think I'm just gonna have a little bit of a workout session. I think I'm gonna do like a little bit of an arm workout.
It's Dalgona time!
Good workout. So I was thinking I have a lecture on Zoom to attend, and I should do that. I just finished my workout, and now I'm going to have like lecture. I think it's been an hour since I finished my workout. Yeah, so I'm just going to go to my lecture and finish that, and I think I'm just going to have a little bit something to eat. It's like 11:30, 12, and I don't think I'm having lunch until later. So I'm going to fix a snack and something to fill myself.
It's Dalgona time! It's Dalgona time! It's Dalgona time!
So I have a lecture recorded and I need to go to it. So I'm just gonna do that. And I fixed myself a snack. So I finished like a couple of lectures and everything, and I think I'm just going to make some lunch, like have something to fill me up, something nice and frothy.
It's Dalgona time!
Yeah, so I thought since like it's afternoon already and I don't have anything much to do, I'm just going to like paint a bit, because I've been doing that lately and it's really fun, and it's nice to like do paint after so long. So I'm just going to paint a bit.
It's Dalgona time!
So I was just painting a bit, and I kind of got done. It was getting really hot and everything, so I just thought maybe I'll watch some YouTube or Netflix or something. I cannot stand YouTube, and I cannot stand this whole Dalgona thing. Like, stop already. Everybody's just sitting there with the whisper, where. Just stop. Like, when is this gonna end? I know everybody has a lot of time in their hands, but that does not mean you go and keep risking. I'm hungry. I'm really hungry now and it's like 6:30. I'm just gonna go and like fix myself something.
It's Dalgona time! It's Dalgona time!
Hi, so it's almost like 8:30 and dinner time, and I think I'm just going to help my mom make something for dinner, and then we're gonna have dinner. And yeah, and also like we might just play Monopoly or something later on. Dude, I'm so happy my mom made like my favorite thing for dinner.
It's Dalgona time! It's Dalgona time! It's Dalgona time! It's Dalgona time!
So hey guys, I just finished playing like Monopoly and everything. It was so much fun with my family after so long and everything. It's almost 12 in the night. I think I'm just going to put all of this footage into my laptop and try and edit a bit. I need a snack.
It's Dalgona time!
Hi, so I think I'm just gonna end this vlog here, and it's almost 2:33 any day. And yeah, and I think I'm gonna edit this up and put it like later on, and yeah. In all true sense though, like this whole Dalgona thing is so irritating sometimes. Like every time I open Instagram or YouTube or anything, it's just right there, and like people are just whisking. That's like all I see the whole freaking day. And it's kind of like, just stop already. I'm not too much of a fan. Like it's okay, it's fine, like it's just coffee, it's not that deep, you know. And in all good sense, please take this video in a funny way. I didn't mean to offend anybody. And go whisk yourself some coffee, I don't know, and stay at home and be safe.
It's Dalgona time!